For perfect well-being. This is the 8th in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our essence line, according to the order of our essence spectrum chart. Today, we will be focusing on pineapple essence for self-assurance. I always think of pineapple in a fruit salad. If it's not there, I miss it. If it's there, I always know that I'll be biting into a chunk of pineapple. For self-assurance, pineapple essence is a charisma builder for people in the work world and where money issues are concerned, the prosperity and abundance essence. It helps children to overcome inferiority complexes and shyness and to untie the apron strings. For pets, especially show animals, to take pride in their accomplishments, and for multi-pet households, as well as for the runt of the litter. Pineapple essence enhances these qualities: contentment with self, career fulfillment, confidence, empowerment, a strong sense of identity, for wisdom, for clarity with money issues, and lastly, for the ability to draw abundance. The benefits of spirit in nature essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you'd like to now, please repeat after me the pineapple essence affirmation. I move with confidence through the graceful dance of life. I move with confidence through the graceful dance of life. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com.